Hey folks, Mike Johnson here. If it's got wheels and an engine, you're in the right place. On this channel, we dive into car repairs, maintenance tips, and everything you need to keep your ride running smooth. If you're into cars and want to keep learning, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. All right, enough talking. Let's get into it.
When you go to buy a new tire, you need to provide a set of numbers and letters if you want an exact match. However, many people don't know what all or part of the set means. Each part of these numbers and letters is important for your specific tire, a tire class. The first letter indicates what class of vehicle you have. For example, AP indicates a passenger car, while LT indicates a tire for a light truck. Section width. The first set of digits is usually 3 numbers and measures the width of the tire in millimeters from side to side. It will say something like 185 or 245. Load index. This tells you how much weight the tire can support. It's important to use tires that can support the required weight. Speed rating. This tells you how many miles per hour you can travel on the tire. Why tire size matters. The diameter of your tire is important because it affects the traction and stability of your vehicle. Generally speaking, a wider tire will be more stable than a narrower one. Larger tires are more susceptible to damage than smaller ones. Tires with shorter sidewalls can create a rougher ride, while longer sidewalls will improve your comfort during your journey. For most people, it's a combination of performance and comfort that allows them to choose a specific tire size. Understanding tire parts. The tread or rubber you see on a tire is only part of what makes up the tire. Many other components are hidden beneath this cover. Winter or snow tires feature a softer rubber and tread that produce adequate grip at low temperatures with tread profiles that grip. Snow often feature thin cuts known as sipes that cross the tread blocks to further improve grip. All-season tires. This type of tire has medium-sized tread blocks with sipes and rubber suitable for a range of temperatures. Why inflation is important. A tire holds air to give it the shape and firmness needed to carry a vehicle on the road. The amount of air inside the tire is measured by the amount of pressure per square inch, or PSI. This number is derived from the part of the tire that comes into contact with the road or contact patch. This is the part of the tire that is not completely round. A tire that is correctly inflated will look almost like a lathe, while one that is underinflated will appear flatter. The number of PSI that must be maintained in the tire is what's needed to ensure that the contact patch is the correct size. A tire that is over or underinflated presents an increased risk of damage. It also reduces the vehicle's stability when traveling. For example, a tire with too much air will not have enough contact with the road and will be more likely to spin or lose control, especially in adverse road conditions. How tires move. The tire generates heat due to friction, with a higher heat buildup when more force is needed to move the vehicle along. The amount of heat also depends on the firmness of the surface. Asphalt creates more heat on the tire, while soft surfaces like sand accumulate less heat. On the other hand, CIF increases on soft surfaces because more power is needed to move the tires. Problems with tires. Tires need to be maintained to increase their life and wear. Overinflated tires wear more in the center of the tread, while underinflation causes them to wear along the outside of the tire. When tires are out of alignment, they wear unevenly, especially along the inside or outside. Worn areas are more likely to pick up sharp objects or find holes when using sharp objects. Poorly worn tires may not be repairable when flat. A certain amount of tread is required for repair. Another problem is when the steel belt breaks in a belted tire. It is no longer repairable and must be replaced. In conclusion, understanding how a car tire works is essential for both safety and performance on the road. From the intricate design of the tread pattern to the crucial role of air pressure, each component plays a vital part in ensuring optimal traction and stability. Regular maintenance and proper care can extend the life of your tires and enhance your driving experience. By being informed about your tires, you can make better decisions that contribute to safer journeys. Thank you for watching, and drive safely.